Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we take an in-depth look at the products that matter most to you. Today, we're checking out a blender that's not just about functionality, but also style. The Culinary Chef Retro Smoothie Maker Blender in its eye-catching pink color. Whether you're a fan of fresh smoothies, shakes, or just need something to power through ice and frozen fruit, this compact blender has caught our attention. But does it hold up to the promises of its powerful motor and retro charm? Let's see what this blender has to offer. The Culinary Chef Retro Smoothie Maker is designed to stand out in more ways than one. Its 300-watt motor spins the blades at a speedy 23,000 RPM, giving you the power to blend through ice, frozen fruits, and other tough ingredients effortlessly. The blender comes with two BPA-free jars, a 600 milliliter glass mason jar for larger servings, and a 500 milliliter jar for smaller portions. The chrome lever and multi-function dial allow for intuitive control, making it easy to start and stop blending with a simple turn. Add in the retro aesthetic, and you've got a blender that pairs perfectly with both modern and traditional kitchen settings. So how does it perform in real-world use? Setting up the blender was a breeze. There's not much to do other than attach the jar and start blending. I put it through its paces with a few different tests, blending frozen fruit for smoothies, crushing ice for shakes, and even mixing up some milkshakes with milk and ice cream. The 300-watt motor did a solid job at pulverizing everything, and I was impressed by how smoothly it handled the ice. The mason jars are a nice touch, though I did notice that the smaller 500 milliliter jar is a little less stable when placed on the base, so be careful when securing it. When it comes to the pros, this blender definitely shines in the design department. The retro style is not only visually appealing, but also functional, as it fits comfortably into smaller kitchen spaces. The included mason jars are another plus, especially since glass tends to be more durable than plastic and doesn't retain odors or stains as easily. The performance is solid for a single-serve blender. Ice and frozen fruits were no match for the powerful motor. However, there are some cons to consider. The smaller mason jar is not the easiest to handle due to its size. And if you're looking for a blender to tackle larger portions or make multiple servings at once, this one might not be for you. Also, while the chrome lever looks sleek, it does feel a bit flimsy when you press it, which might be a concern over time. Finally, the 300 watts motor, while capable, won't compare to more powerful blenders when it comes to really dense ingredients or larger batches. In terms of value for money, the Culinary Chef Retro Smoothie Maker offers a good balance. You're not paying a premium for this blender's stylish design, but you're still getting a solid motor and dependable performance for everyday blending tasks. If you're mainly making smoothies or shakes for one person, it's a good option at a reasonable price point. That said, if you're looking for something to handle larger quantities or more demanding ingredients like leafy greens or nuts, you might want to consider a more powerful model in a similar price range. When comparing this blender to alternatives, it's important to note that other single-serve blenders in this price range offer similar power and functionality. The primary draw here is the design and the inclusion of two mason jars. In comparison to brands like NutriBullet or Hamilton Beach, this blender stands out in the looks department, but it's not quite as powerful. If blending dense vegetables or large ice chunks is a priority for you, the other options might edge this one out in performance. However, if style is just as important as function, this one does hold its own. As for the build quality, the blender feels fairly solid, especially considering its compact size. The mason jars are glass, which adds a nice touch of durability, but the plastic base and the chrome lever could be a potential weak point over time. If you're careful with the lever and jars, this blender should hold up well for regular use. However, it's worth noting that it's not built for heavy-duty, long-term use like some of the more professional-grade blenders. Now, when it comes to customer support, I haven't had the chance to test this myself, but Frigidaire generally has a solid reputation for addressing customer concerns promptly. Their products tend to come with warranties, but if you do run into any issues, you can expect them to respond fairly quickly. It's always worth double-checking the warranty details when purchasing, especially for smaller appliances like this. Looking at the bigger picture, this blender doesn't feature any major software or firmware updates, as it's a fairly straightforward kitchen appliance. That's not necessarily a bad thing. Sometimes the best devices don't need constant updates. What you see is what you get. And for the most part, it's doing exactly what it's designed to do. To wrap things up, the Culinary Chef Retro Smoothie Maker Blender delivers solid performance, especially for personal, single-serve smoothies and shakes. Its standout feature is the stylish retro design, which fits well in a variety of kitchen settings. While it excels in looks and convenience, its motor might not be powerful enough for heavy-duty blending tasks. If you're looking for a compact, aesthetically pleasing blender that handles basic tasks with ease, this is a solid choice. However, if you're after something with more blending power for larger batches or tougher ingredients, you might want to explore other options. Thanks for watching, and if you're curious about this blender or have thoughts to share, drop a comment below. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all the latest reviews. The link to grab this blender is in the comments box. Until next time, happy blending with Reviews Inside TV.